Face ID is not available after screen replacement. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, reset Face ID. When trying to set up Face ID on the iPhone, we get the message Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. Start the camera app and select Portrait in the bottom bar. Switch to the front camera. When the camera detects a person's face, the name of the lighting effect natural light stays the same. And there is also no flashing red light from the dot projector. Normally, when portrait mode is ready, the name of the lighting effect natural light should turn yellow. And there is also flashing red light from the dot projector. Let's check Face ID parts first. Take apart the phone and take out the motherboard. Check the earpiece speaker and sensor flex cable. Nothing goes wrong. The dot projector flex cable, the infrared camera flex cable, and the front camera flex cable also haven't been damaged. Let's move on to the motherboard. Clean the motherboard with PCB cleaner. Then run diode mode measurement of the earpiece speaker and sensor connector, and the dot projector connector. The measured value is normal. Continue measuring the infrared camera connector. Judging by the measured value, pin 8 relevant circuit has open circuited. Normal value should be 260 or so. Outputted from PMU, the 1.8 volts voltage reaches pin 8 of the infrared camera connector. By way of the inductor circled in red on the bitmap. Check relevant components of the rail. We can see that the inductor here is damaged. Our initial judgment is that when replacing the screen, the improper operation of our client, during flex cable disconnecting accidentally damaged the inductor. Let's replace with a new inductor and see how it works. Remove black adhesive around first. Then apply some medium temp solder paste to the bonding pad. Tin the bonding pad with solder paste with the help of the soldering iron at 365 degrees Celsius. Once done, clean with PCB cleaner. Continue to apply some rosin to the bonding pad. We can see that the damaged inductor is really small, and the replacement inductor is difficult to find. What can we do in the circumstances? We can solder a 0 ohm resistor instead. Get a 0 ohm resistor in the right position. Solder with hot air gun at 330 degrees Celsius, airflow 1. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Again, let's run diode mode measurement of pin 8 on the infrared camera connector. The measured value is 257, which is normal. Now we can assemble the phone and test. Start the camera app. When the camera detects a person's face, the name of the lighting effect natural light turns yellow. And there is also flashing red light from the dot projector. Go to Settings Face ID and Passcode Setup Face ID. Face ID can be set up successfully. The phone can be unlocked with Face ID this time.